Welcome to our channel. In this episode, you will learn basic German vocabulary. This movie is a part of our interactive course for mobile devices. Please visit our website www.lingolights.com where you will find interesting materials for learning German in the form of interactive courses, exercises, and mobile applications for your device. In this lesson, you will learn the most important words related to giving personal information and asking for it. You will learn what words to use to talk about yourself, your age, and other basic information. Let's start.
Der Name, die Namen.
Der Nachname, die Nachnamen.
Das Alter, die Alter. Die Adresse, die Adressen.
Die Telefonnummer, die Telefonnummern.
Die E-Mail, die E-Mails.
Der Geburtstag, die Geburtstage.
Der Geburtsort, die Geburtsorte.
Die Staatsangehörigkeit, die Staatsangehörigkeiten.
Die Sprache, die Sprachen.
Der Beruf, die Berufe.
Die Ausbildung, die Ausbildungen.
Die Schule, die Schulen. Die Universität, die Universitäten. Das Studium, die Studien.
Der Abschluss, die Abschlüsse.
Die Fähigkeit, die Fähigkeiten.
Die Erfahrung, die Erfahrungen.
Der Lebenslauf, die Lebensläufe.
Das Interesse, die Interessen.
Das Hobby, die Hobbys.
Der Wohnort, die Wohnorte.
Das Geschlecht, die Geschlechter.
Der Familienstand, die Familienstände.
Das Land, die Länder.
Die Stadt, die Städte.
Der Freund, die Freunde.
Die Freundin, die Freundinnen.
Die Eltern.
Die Geschwister.
Die Ehefrau, die Ehefrauen.
Der Ehemann, die Ehemänner.
Das Kind, die Kinder.
Die Kenntnis, die Kenntnisse.
Die Qualifikation, die Qualifikationen. Das Zertifikat, die Zertifikate.
Das Praktikum, die Praktika.
Der Job, die Jobs.
Das Unternehmen, die Unternehmen.
Der Mitarbeiter, die Mitarbeiter.
Sein.
Haben. Wohnen. Arbeiten. Studieren.
Lernen.
Sprechen.
Verstehen. Kennen. Sich für etwas interessieren. Alt. Jung. Verheiratet. Ledig. Geschieden. Berufstätig. Arbeitslos. Erfahren. Qualifiziert. Interessiert.
Learn German with our apps for mobile devices. We offer unique courses which help you gain confidence and fluency in German. Learning German irregular verbs has never been easier. In our application, you will find more than 200 irregular verbs and learn their conjugations in the 3 most important tenses. Thanks to practical examples from everyday situations and an extensive database of exercises, you will learn how to use them in sentences. To enhance your learning, we have also added audio recordings and numerous review exercises. You no longer need to worry about complicated irregular verbs. In our app, you have everything about them in one place. If you need to improve your communication skills in a business environment, we have the perfect German in the office course for you. You will find dialogues with audio recordings, work-related vocabulary, and revision exercises. You will quickly master the specialized phrases and expressions needed in the office. This course is for those who want to improve their language skills in the professional environment. Learning a language doesn't have to be boring at all. Our German grammar app combines theory with practice, presenting grammatical issues in the context of real texts. In the application, you will also find vocabulary and audio recordings that will help you perfectly master pronunciation. Interactive exercises complete the whole, allowing you to practically apply the acquired knowledge. For all those who want to learn basic German words, we have something special: German vocabulary in the form of an app for mobile devices. The course contains more than 1,200 key words necessary for everyday communication, which are additionally divided into different topics, which facilitates thematic and concentrated acquisition of vocabulary. Start your language adventure now. With our apps, learning German becomes accessible anytime, anywhere. Enjoy an effective and engaging learning process. You will find links to our apps and courses available on our website in the description below the video. We invite you to try them out. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give us the thumbs up, leave the comment, and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website, www.lingolites.com. See you next time.